For homeowners in Love's Park, comfort and style go hand in hand. Whether you're battling cold Midwestern winters or enjoying sunny spring days, your home's windows play a major role in keeping your living space cozy and efficient. If you're thinking about upgrading, few options combine elegance, light, and comfort as beautifully as bow windows, especially when they're professionally installed. Bow windows are more than just a design statement. Their signature curved shape expands your space, floods your home with natural light, and, when installed correctly, creates a noticeable improvement in temperature balance, noise control, and overall comfort. Here's how professional bow window installation transforms Love's Park homes into brighter, cozier spaces all year long. Perfect fit for maximum energy efficiency. Bow windows feature multiple glass panels that gently curve outward, connecting to form a panoramic view. Because of their unique design, precise installation is critical to ensure proper alignment, airtight seals, and thermal efficiency. A professional installer will carefully measure, custom fit, and seal every joint and frame. This precision eliminates gaps, air leaks, and drafts, common issues that can drastically reduce comfort in homes across Love's Park, especially during the cold winter months. With expert installation, your bow windows will provide superior insulation, keeping warm air inside in winter and blocking out the summer heat. That means consistent indoor temperatures and lower heating and cooling costs year-round. Improved insulation for Love's Park's climate. The Midwest is known for its temperature swings, from freezing winters to humid summers. Professionally installed bow windows help stabilize indoor conditions thanks to advanced insulating glass technologies and airtight construction. Energy-efficient bow windows typically include double or triple pane glass that reduces heat transfer. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for extra insulation. Low-E coatings that reflect heat and harmful UV rays. When installed properly, these features work together to prevent heat loss in the winter and minimize solar heat gain in the summer. You'll notice fewer cold spots, less condensation, and a more comfortable living environment, even when the weather outside is unpredictable. Better noise control for a peaceful home. If you live near busy roads or active neighborhoods in Love's Park, outdoor noise can easily affect your home's tranquility. Poorly installed or aging windows allow sound vibrations to travel through gaps in thin glass. Professional bow window installation ensures that your new windows are securely sealed and properly insulated, blocking unwanted noise from entering your home. The multi-pane construction and dense frame materials naturally absorb and dampen outside sounds, giving you a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, whether you're working, relaxing, or spending time with family. Enhanced natural light and airflow. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is the expansive natural light they bring into your home. Their multi-panel design captures sunlight from different angles, making rooms feel brighter, warmer, and more open. Professional installers ensure that your bow windows are positioned to optimize light exposure while reducing glare and heat buildup. Some configurations even include operable side windows, allowing for better ventilation and airflow during pleasant spring or fall days in Love's Park. This combination of natural illumination and improved air circulation enhances your home's livability while reducing reliance on artificial lighting and air conditioning. Increased structural stability and longevity. Bow windows are larger and heavier than traditional flat windows, meaning they require strong structural support. Improper installation can lead to sagging, water leaks, or frame warping over time. A professional installer reinforces your wall framing, ensures even weight distribution, and secures all connections properly. This guarantees your bow windows will perform beautifully for decades without compromising your home's integrity or comfort. Additionally, expert installation prevents water infiltration, a must for Love's Park's rainy and snowy seasons. A well-sealed window protects your interior from moisture, drafts, and long-term damage. Comfort meets curb appeal. Beyond the practical benefits, professionally installed bow windows instantly elevate your home's aesthetic. The gentle curve creates a sense of luxury, while the added interior space, perfect for a reading nook or decorative display, enhances both comfort and visual appeal. It's an upgrade that not only makes your home feel better to live in but also increases its market value and charm. Experience year-round comfort in Loves Park. For homeowners in Loves Park, professional bow window installation is one of the smartest ways to boost comfort, efficiency, and style. From improved insulation and noise reduction to enhanced natural light, bow windows offer a level of performance that truly transforms your living space. By choosing an experienced local installer who understands the region's weather and building conditions, you'll enjoy a flawless fit, lasting durability, and exceptional comfort for years to come. When it comes to keeping your home beautiful and comfortable through every season, bow windows are a timeless, practical investment, especially when installed by the right professionals.